Teaching students to drive their learning is about self-regulation. It's about engagement. It's about teaching students to become their own teachers and the teachers of their peers. Along with my colleagues, John Hattie, Nancy Frey, and Sarah Ortega, we articulate a path that helps you increase regulation, students' responsibility for their learning. We begin with knowing where you are. Students need to know their current level of performance. They also need to know where they're going on the learning journey, how to select tools, monitor their progress, seek feedback, and then eventually teach themselves and others. It's a pathway to increase regulation. And in doing so, students are more likely to engage in the learning. We are inviting students into learning as they become their own teachers and drive their learning.